Hi everyone, my name is Lenka and I was born in Slovakia. Currently, I am living in Shanghai and I've been living here for over 6 years. I consider myself a fitness enthusiast, and what started as a few workout sessions in 2016 became a daily habit of working out. I've been running Spartan races since 2018 and it helped me to create many new healthy habits. I started to be very interested in nutrition science, in sport nutrition science, and that's why I created a sport nutrition related YouTube channel where I review vegan protein powders, protein bars, and other sport related supplements. I also share my experience with different sport activities such as Spartan race, long distance running, and what do I eat before and during these activities. It also made me think more about nutrition and how important it is for an athletic performance. That's why I decided to take some nutrition courses. I completed nutrition, exercise and sports course and plant-based nutrition studies program. It was only last year when I first time heard about SNS course. That time it was only offline and I didn't have enough time to commit to such a course. SNS is an international course with classmates from all over the world where we have access to experts who are well educated on a different sport nutrition topics. The course seems very open-minded and the lecturer and experts are providing many scientifically proven researches, and they also offer very objective perspective. I hope that in this course I can learn more about sport supplements, because nowadays there is so much bro science, nobody knows what actually works, and I'm really excited to learn more about creatine, about BCAAs. I would also like to learn how to design a well-balanced meal plan for people with different dietary restrictions. I am really happy to be a part of this course and I am very excited for the upcoming lessons, live session, and all the interaction we are going to have with classmates and the experts. Thank you.